Hello students, a very good morning to you. You are welcomed by Azad Classroom. Myself, your English teacher, SM Yusuf Aziz. Today I am going to talk about articles, kinds of articles, position of articles, and different uses of articles. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles. It includes a and an. Definite article, that is the. Articles are basically adjectives, but the difference is an adjective can be used with a noun or they can also be used independently, while an article cannot be used without a noun. For example, she is a beautiful girl or she is beautiful. But we cannot say she is a. Now let us see what is the position of article in a sentence. Means where an article a is placed. It is placed before a noun. For example, he is a boy. In this sentence, boy is a noun and a is placed before it. But if there is an adjective before a noun, the article is placed before the adjective. For example, he is a handsome boy. In this sentence, handsome is an adjective, hence a is placed before handsome. But if there is an adverb before the adjective, the article comes before the adverb. For example, he is a very handsome boy. In this sentence, very is an adverb, hence a is placed before adverb. There are different uses of indefinite article a. Indefinite article is used before a countable singular common noun beginning with consonant sound. And what are the consonants? In English, consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. For example, a boy, a pen, a book. Second use of indefinite article a, that it is used before a vowel giving the sound of a consonant. A uniform, for example, a university, a European. Though these three words seem to be beginning with vowel, but they sound as consonant, hence a is placed before them. Next use is a is used in exclamation with what. For example, what a beautiful palace, what a naughty child, what a movie it is. Next use is before the verbs used as noun. For example, for a walk, for a visit, for a swim. In these expressions, walk, visit and swim are used as noun. Next, before certain phrases, for example, tell a lie, make a noise, in a hurry. Next use is before the words denoting numbers or numerical expressions. For example, a dozen, 1,000, a billion, a score of children, a million ants. In these expressions, dozen, thousand, billion, score, million are numerical expressions. Next type of indefinite article is an. An is used before a countable singular noun beginning with vowel. In English, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an orange, an elephant, an umbrella. All these words, all these nouns are beginning with vowel. Next use, an is used with a silent H. For example, an R, an honest man. R and honest, in these two words, H is silent, hence an is used. With a consonant, pronounces with the sound of vowel. For example, an SSC, an HSC, an MLA, an X-ray. Thank you.